how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph price update. What's the price? Changes open Hedera Hashgraph. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you go or anyone my channel, or if you don't subscribe my channel, so guys, I request everybody to please subscribe now our channel for more news and update video, guys. The right now price of Hedera Hashgraph Hedera and the market is about 0.406767 USD dollar. That is right now price of Hedera. Furthermore, you can see here, guys, the changes. Wow, that's good for all of you guys. Now the changes of Hedera is going positive in the market. That's why I love Hedera. And guys, I believe, as I predicated in my previous videos, that Hedera price will pump in October. So now you can see here it is October and the price of Hedera Hashgraph is increasing, guys. The price start pumping, guys. So I believe again that they will continue this pump for a long time. That's a long-term project, Hedera. You can see here now obviously the price start increasing, and I think now Hedera is going to the moon, guys. You can see here, guys, the last 3 days changes is about 13.19%. Highest price is about 0.41668 USD dollar. That is right now update. So guys, now what you think about Hedera Hashgraph? What's your opinion? Also share on the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.